Your Z Fold 6 is not opening fully, maybe you're watching on another Z Fold, and you're wondering if you can clean the hinge to fix this issue. You cannot. So the videos online, they'll show you how to clean the hinge with paper. Don't do this, because the paper will get trapped in the hinge, and that will make your problem worse. And then some videos show to put oil or alcohol in the hinge. Do not do this, because there's a good chance the phone won't turn back on. Now, I know this because they say isopropyl alcohol is good with phones, unlike water. Well, I poured isopropyl alcohol, and this is embarrassing, but I poured it all over my MacBook because one of the keys on the keyboard wasn't like clicking. After that, the MacBook shut off, never turned on again, cost $1,800 to fix it. The MacBook, when I bought it new, was $3,100. So if you do the same, yeah, not good. So what can you actually do? I wish I had the solution. I'm just letting you know Samsung won't cover it under warranty. It's just how it is. Really sorry, guys.